We are here at the Buhari Rehabilitation Center, and it is expedient because the Commissioner of Police have directed that massive deployment should be made to this center to secure those that have been brought in here, to secure the facility of the center, and to secure the entire perimeter of this particular center. You can see the men from the Nigerian police, from the civil defense and all other sister agencies who have deployed massively here. So we are very sure that the security that has been in place here is good for what we have here. Thank you.
Is for the benefit of the society, the humanities, the benefit of people living in FCT. That is why the minister have decided to clear all these people that are giving problems to individuals in FCT here. Every day you receive complaints about one thing or the other. One chance, kidnapping, all manner of evil things happening in FCT. So the minister, knowing our minister as an action man, he now wants to do away with all those things. You see beggars. People will go even to the extent of hiring people's children to come and on the road and be begging. And there are families that where they are begging, hiring these children will not even know that this is what they are using their children to do. We have caught so many of them like that. And also, it's like a business. They have taken it as a business.